Hey, John Crestani here, and I have a passive income stream in my business of over $100,000, and oftentimes I'm not doing anything business related, and I get asked the question, can I really make money doing absolutely nothing? And I'm just gonna get right to the bottom line before I go in and explain it, but the answer is no. It takes a lot of upfront work to create those passive income streams, which will actually continually make you money. The only caveat to this is if you are born with lots of money and you can invest it, I mean, yeah, I guess so if you're a trust fund kid. But for those of us that are not trust fund kids, and I'm assuming there are none on this channel, stay tuned because I'm gonna explain how you can create for yourself those passive income streams and explain to you why doing nothing is not really a way to make money. Let's get it. So first off, how many of you have seen emails from marketers saying you can make money doing absolutely nothing or basically nothing, right? I get them every single day in my inbox, but the reality is that those individuals you should be worried about because it's not the truth, right? I've made tens of millions of dollars in my business and I've created a very nice passive income stream for myself from many of the affiliate programs and all the things that I do to make money online. But the fact is that it's taken a lot of work to get there. YouTube is an income stream for me, for instance, which makes me about $12,000 to $15,000 per month. And if I just stop putting up videos tomorrow, then I guess, it will be passive income and it would last for, I don't know, maybe a year or so. But the fact is that it took me years of work and many hours per week for years to get to the point where I have popular videos, where I've gained an audience, where I've gained traction. And that's similar with any sort of business or income stream that you are going to start. It's going to take monster amounts of upfront work to create that passive income, active income to create passive income. Don't let marketers prey on you by saying that it doesn't take any work to make money, because the reality is that anything you do in life is going to take work, and the biggest money is typically going to be from taking the biggest risks, and that's going to be emotionally hard work as well. What's important is you take the active income that you make and you put it into passive income projects. So an example might be maybe you are doing blogging or Instagramming, or you're building up an audience on YouTube, or you're building up an audience on Facebook, and you are promoting products. You're promoting products, weight loss products, sleep, anxiety products, etc. Over time, you'll want to take some of that income that you're making from promoting these products and take them and invest in more passive income sources, such as advertising. That's one of the things I did in my business, is I took active income sources I was doing from consulting with companies as kind of like an ad agency almost, and I would reinvest my money into ads. And I lost money for a while. I lost money for 4 years on advertisements, mainly because I didn't have a mentor for most of those 4 years. And finally, I got advertising working. And once that happened, the upfront work of creating ad campaigns, I had ad campaigns that would just go. I mean, in one case, it went for 2.5 years, making me $25,000 a month. And I was able to take that money that I was making promoting these kind of like a gold investment companies and just travel the world, hire people, invest in even more passive income projects, invest in companies. I mean, in my case, I went to, I just did a lot of stupid shit with it mainly. But again, most people I know, they take the first money they've made when they really start tapping into what I call abnormal income or abnormal wealth, and they take that money and they get all crazy, and then they take that money and they blow it somehow, which is what I did. Now, the ultimate level of passive income is building systems that help make your income more passive. And I'm a big proponent of software, but even more so is using contractors, using people that you can hire on Fiverr, for instance, or hire on Craigslist or forums And what I did was I took the money I was making from ads and I used it to hire different contractors, hire different struggling affiliates in my case. And I took these struggling affiliates and I trained them and I had them work for me and I had them make me more money. So in my case, I used my good advertising campaigns. I filmed myself creating these advertising campaigns that sold marketed products. I handed those videos off to people who were struggling, and then I had them market all the products I was promoting, which is weight loss pills, skincare supplements, muscle building supplements, testosterone boosters, app installs. When I had my media buying team doing affiliate marketing, I had a bunch of guys that were buying ads for me, and all I had to do was I just created the system to link them up, link everybody up. I had my developers, so I had my affiliates, the people doing my advertising. Then I had some back office people like accountants and whatnot, farmers, etc. And I just had them all work together. I let them use my money for ads, and the end result was the system just worked and made me up to $500,000 per month for the course of about 2 years. Really easy. Just while I traveled the world, again, I combined software with humans, with ads and affiliate offers, and just created a system that just went off and made me money. Now, the way I was able to do that is because I was always looking for ways that I could systemize different processes in my business. And I was always willing to take risks by shelling out my hard-earned money and put it to use to hire contractors or to pay for advertising campaigns, to pay for expensive consultants. I was also willing to invest and risk my time, which, I could spend every waking hour just gambling and clubbing and flying around the world. I always made sure to invest a lot of my time into learning so that I was always leveling up my knowledge so that I could be better and create better systems to earn me money and earn my business money. Where we're going today, just to give you a long and short, is we're creating software, right? We're about to launch our first software. I've tried to create software about 7 times now, and it's been every time I've launched, I've failed. Software is the ultimate kind of passive income, but it's been a long journey. Again, I've tried for 10 years to build a successful software company, and it's been really difficult. I don't even want to think about how much money, but probably close to $1 million over the years, and it's been difficult, but I believe we're going to make it this time. But again, that's part of doing business, right? I've already failed 6 times building software. I continually, every year, I take some of my profits and I try to build software. I hire consultants, I hire whatever to try to help me do this. And I've been failing over and over again. And it's difficult, right? It's a struggle. But again, I'm willing to take a chunk of whatever profits I make from my marketing efforts and push that across the table, my hard-earned money, to invest in a project which it's already failed 6 or 7 times so far. Because I'm so stubborn, because I persist, because I'm never going to stop reinvesting my profits into building a software company is the reason why I will ultimately succeed. I hope that makes sense. And I hope you learned something from this video. And I encourage you, if you did, to subscribe to this channel. Especially make sure you hit the notification bell, because I'm giving away PayPal money every single week. I give away Amazon money every single week, and I scratch these cards on my Monday live stream just as a kind of way to reward my subscribers with free money, right? I really appreciate your support of me. As a teacher, I've always felt underserved by the education system. I went to college for 4 years and I felt like so much of my time was lost spinning my wheels in a sort of just manufactured system. You know, it was like leading sheep to a slaughter. It's like I'm spending my time learning stuff, but for what? Why do I need to learn calculus? Why do I need to know algebra or all these other things? I'd rather learn statistics and how to manipulate Excel spreadsheets, right? That can help you in business. I felt like I wasted so much time, and I've tried to give a lot of my time to teaching folks business lessons that I've learned that I believe are much more valuable than going to a college class. So thank you for supporting me over the years. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I got my first commission for the sale of 2 books. Got really excited. Yeah.
It's been amazing in my life because John's program has actually helped me make an additional $2 million to change my life.
I've been with John's program for a few years now. I remember when I first started out, making my first like $100 was a big deal. But you know, I've stuck with John's program and you know, changed my life completely. Able to afford a mortgage and just live the lifestyle that I want right here in Vegas.